Governor, you know that the Supreme Court has given the administration wide authority when it comes to immigration. The Supremacy Clause says that federal law trumps state law. Talk about the legal justification for doing this, and are you concerned that the Supreme Court might strike this down?
Well, the Supremacy Clause doesn't give blanket immunity to state laws. Quite the contrary. I'll give you just as an aside an example. Federal employees have to abide by traffic rules in their respective states. The Supremacy Clause basically asserts that we cannot interfere in federal operations. Well, federal operations have been conducted for decades and decades without masks. It's never been necessary. It's a new construct conceived to terrorize our diverse communities, to instill fear and chaos. It's quite clear that that's the case. It's simply unnecessary. And then they manifest a justification that could be manifested in every category of society today. If doxing is a concern, then legislate the solution to those concerns. We have well-established guidelines in our penal code and civil code sections here in the state of California. Judges, I imagine, would not be immune from those concerns, certainly not elected officials, certainly not members of the media or celebrities or neighbors for that matter. These are foundationless requirements that they have manufactured. Let me then back that up in a way that they haven't. There's an assertion that somehow there is exponential increase in assaults on officers, but they will not provide the data. They will not provide that information. All they've provided is misinformation and misdirection. One agency saying one thing, another agency saying something altogether different. Look at the data sets. They will not provide with transparency that information. I have great respect for law enforcement, great respect for the men and women that try to do the right thing, take their oath of office seriously, and want to assert themselves in a manner of dignity and grace. But those at Homeland Security, their director, Stephen Miller, those words do not represent their actions and what they're trying to impose in terms of their will all across this country, and that's why we felt this is necessary. So we're going to test the theory long-windedly.